Good morning, Khadija.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Humaira. Hi. Good morning, Abdul.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Enter to Bluetooth.
Good morning,
Enter aux in
Khadija.
play-in.
Abdul, you are not visible. Abdul, hi. Hi. How are you? Oh my gosh, such a big smile. Oh, lovely. Hi, Khadija. You don't want to say hi?
Say hi, Khatija, ma'am is calling you. Ma'am, देखो.
Hi, Khadija. Good morning. Hello. Hi, beautiful. No. Hello. Good morning.
Khatija.
What happened, Khadija? Are you upset?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nubita. How are you?
I fell down, बोला लो.
Okay, are we all ready? Yes?
Yes.
No. Yes, ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. That's the energy. All right. ABCD. Okay. Everyone sing ABCD song with me. Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F,
F, G,
H,
H, I, J, K,
L,
L, M, Q,
R,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and next time.
me. Very good. Today I'm going to do a written one. Okay, we will do written test. Okay, Khadija? So this is for 10 marks. So here is the question. Take your time. No hurry. We have enough time. So the first question is match the following. So here it is. So you have to match the capital letter with the small one. Okay? So here you go. Take it easy, smile, have fun. Don't be in hurry. We have enough time. Very nice, Sumera. I like that smile. So Mama will help you to write the question. Okay? No need to draw the pictures. Just okay. And once you are done, just raise your hand. Hi, Khadija Sheikh. 1 second, Nora. Wait a minute, huh, beta? Let me just write down all the names.
Say
Hello,
good morning, ma'am. Say good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning. All the best to everyone. So this is the first question. Today is the written test. All right. So this is the first question. You have to match the following. Match the capital letter with the lowercase. Abdul, done? Okay.
Hello.
Done?
Don't,
Alright.
don't show, don't show.
Okay, okay. Wait. I will see. Don't worry. Okay, who is left? I think Humaira and Khadija Sheikh. Complete your work. Done? Humaira done? Okay, perfect. Just wait for Khadija Sheikh, okay? Give me a second. Give me a minute, Nora. I will check. Yes. हाँ हाँ बोलिए ना. अच्छा okay. मैं क्लास ले रही हूँ. Okay, thank you. Okay. All right, ठीक है, thank you.
Tell ma'am you're done.
Ma'am,
No showing, no showing. Say done.
ma'am, done.
Okay, beta. All right. Now I'm going to check one by one. So, M. Khadija, show me your notebook. Let me see.
You have to show. बता दो.
Yes. Little close, beta. Little close.
शेक नहीं करो.
हाँ, better. Lovely. Very good. Clap for yourself. Good job. Give me high five.
हमारा
Stop.
कैमरामैन.
Smile. Show me your teeth and smile.
Smile.
Very good. Good job. Thank you. Okay. Humaira, let me see your notebook. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Perfect. Very good. Good job. Clap for yourself. Pat your back. Humaira, pat your back. Mama, please pat her back. Well done. Give me high five. Toing. And make a happy face. Yay. notebook? Let me see. Oh, wow. Mama has made the drawing as well. Very good. Good job. Give me high five, Abdul. High five. Where is Abdul? High five. High five. Try. Yes, smile, my boy. Smile. Smile. Make a happy face. Abdul, make a happy face. Clap for yourself. You have done a great job. Very good. Yes, Nora. Why are you so upset? What happened? Show me your notebook. Oh, lovely. Very nice. Good job. Make a happy face, Nora. Make a happy face. When you are really happy, you have done such a great job. Pat your back. Give me a high five. Joy. Give me a high five. Again. Again. All right. Yes, Khadija Sheikh. Show me your notebook, beta. Oh, wow. My kids are great. Amazing. Good job. Clap for yourself. Pat your back. Make a happy face. Oh, God bless you. Make a happy face. Okay, give me high five. Toy. Very nice. Huda, why you are late? Why you are late? Good morning. Okay, no worries. We can start with second question, okay? So very good job, everyone. Well done. I'm going to give everybody a big hug. All right?
Ma'am, there was a electricity problem, so she couldn't join. Ma'am,
No
so
worries, ma'am. It's okay. It's okay. You can start with the second question, and then after that, I'll show you the first one. Okay? No worries.
okay.
All right. Okay. Here we go for the second question. Okay. Now fill in the missing letters. So what comes after A? You have to put that letter over there.
Ma'am, she has to write it on a paper.
Yes, on the paper.
Okay.
Notebook will also do. Just make her write. Khadija, done? Okay, wait.
Ma'am, done.
Done? All right. Nora, done? Yes, Sudha? Abdul, done? No? Okay. Huda, let me know if you are done. I'll show you the first question. Khadija Sheikh, done, beta?
Tell teacher done.
Yes, ma'am.
Later you can fight with mama.
So this is the first question. Huda's mama, you can just write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me know once you are done with writing the question. So Huda, this is match the following. You have to match the capital letter with the small letter. Okay? All right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done with it.
Okay, thank you. All right. So yes, I'm Khadija. Show me your notebook. Wait, Nora, wait, I'll come to you. Wait. Yes, now it's visible. Perfect, amazing. Good job. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap. Khadija, clap.
Clap your hands.
Clap for
Clap.
yourself. Okay, clap for me. I have done a great job. Clap for me. All right, thank you. Yes, Humera. Beautiful handwriting. Very well done. Good job, Pita. Clap for yourself. Clap. Very nice. Yes, Nora.
मेरा थोड़ा टेबल पे शिफ्ट कर आपका फोटो
PQR. Very good. Good job. Clap for yourself. Make a happy face. Don't be sad. Very nice. Oh my God, look at her. Okay. Who is next? Abdul? Show me your notebook.
एक मिनट दो मिनट
Perfect. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Pat your back. Mama, pat his back. Good. Well done. Okay, Khadija Sheikh. Let me see yours. Yeah, little close, beta. Yeah, perfect. Very good. Well done. Good job. Clap for yourself. Make a happy face. Smile. I can't see your teeth. Where is your teeth? Smile. Yes. All right, Huda. Okay, she is still writing.
Yes, ma'am. Bolu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. A, B, D, F. Very good, Huda. Good job, beta. And the second one, the missing letter. Can I see that again? Okay. Very good. Clap for yourself. Huda, clap for yourself. Pat your back. Mama, pat her back, please. Oh my God, my kids are so amazing. How this happened? Oh my God. This is so unbelievable. I'm going to faint. I will faint now. I cannot believe this. My kids are amazing. Clap for yourself. This is for everyone. I'm going to give you something. This heart. Party. What else?
I want donut, ma'am.
You want donut? Okay, here is your donut.
There.
Yay! Start! I'm going to give you all chocolates. Chocolate. Oh, wow, amazing. I'm so proud of you all. Very good. So I'll see you tomorrow for the maths test, okay? Tomorrow we have maths written. All right, bye-bye. See you. He's so excited. Bye, Abdul. Bye, everyone.